This is number 137, problem solving. And so this guy has a labor job, and of course the way he makes his money, it's going to be however many hours he works, times how much he makes each hour. And it says what was the time Don had estimated for the job. Okay, so I'm going to let T be the number of hours he works on a job, and then I'm going to let R be how much he makes per hour. And it says he was originally going to be paid a total of $336. Well, what happens is the job took 4 hours longer, so that would be T plus 4, and he ends up making $2 less per hour. So estimated job repair was $336, and he was paid $336. So this is still equal to $336. Well, let's multiply out the left hand side. That would be TR minus 2T plus 4R minus 8 equals 336. The way I did that, I took T times R and T times negative 2, 4 times R and 4 times a negative 2. You might think, how in the world can I solve this? Because I've got two variables, and the key is this equation here. We know that T times R is 336. So everywhere I see a TR, I can put in a 336. So this TR becomes a 336 minus 2T plus 4R minus 8 equal 336. Of course, these fall out. And I think, well, I wouldn't show this step on the GMAT, but I'm going to show it here for explanation. Let's divide everything by negative 2 on both sides to make our coefficient smaller. So that would be T negative 2. So that's going to be positive T and then a minus 2R plus 4. I've divided everything by negative 2. So that becomes positive. Divide that by negative 2, that becomes negative. Divide a negative by negative becomes positive. Equals 0. Well, I've still got an equation with two variables, T and R. So what do I need to do? Well, I know I'm trying to find time. So I'm going to multiply every term on both sides by either a T or an R. I'm going to be left with a T. So I want to multiply both sides by T, because I want to keep that T in there. If I multiplied by R, I'd have RT, the very first term, and that would get rid of my T's. And we could get the answer, but this is faster. So this is T squared minus 2TR plus 4T equals 0. And this is T squared minus 2 times 336 plus 4T equals 0. So let's write this in the correct order. This is T squared plus 4T minus 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 672 equals 0. And we want to factor this thing. And I can't factor a 672. So what I'm going to do is look at my answers and see if any of those answers, I'm going to use my answers to help me factor this. So let's see if 28 will go into 672. So 28 will go into 67 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. 4, it's 56. That's what? 1, 1. Bring down the 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, so it's 24 times 28. So that's going to be T plus 28 and T minus 24. And that gives you a 4T. Of course, when you set this factor equal to 0, you're going to get negative 28. And that's not possible. But when you set T minus 24 equal to 0, that's going to give you T equals 24. So that's your answer.